I just love your food.
Thank you.
It is
Thank you, John.
so good. What are you cooking up for us today?
Today I'm making the mussels curry. Do you like mussels?
I love them, yes.
All right, there you go. So today I'm going to show you how we can make easily the mussels curry. All these spices are, you know that, they are medicinal purpose we used to use for more than 10,000 years. That's the history they have.
And they taste good.
And they taste good.
Good for you, and they taste good. And I'll tell you what,
it is.
That's one of the things I love about your cooking is that there's so many complexities in the flavor.
Yeah,
and,
so many layers. You know?
Really is.
So we're gonna little bit cumin seed. These are the cumin seed. We're gonna put it here, and some mustard seed here, and we have some chopped garlic here. We're gonna add some chopped garlic, and we have some chopped ginger. Extra a little bit, and here we have the sautéed onion and tomato. We did in advance because it takes a little bit time. So a little bit oil and the sauté the onion till it gets soft. Then add the chopped tomatoes.
So that's just it. Just chopped tomatoes, onion.
That's
it. Okay.
Yeah, it takes a little bit time. Even you can sauté them and keep in the cooler, and that you can use like a whole week. So that's pretty good. And then
time saver there.
Here I have some curry leaves.
That's what curry leaves look like?
Yes, I grow at my house this one actually. It's very hard to find the fresh, so this brings your food to the next level.
Yeah, I didn't really realize that there was an actual plant called curry.
Yeah.
I'll be darned.
So here is some turmeric powder we have.
Very good for inflammation, right?
And we have coriander powder, we have some cumin powder, and we have some chili powder. If you like hot, you can use more. Otherwise,
I do like hot.
You know.
I do.
And a little bit garam masala. Garam masala is basically these spices you can see. These are the whole spices. We roast them and just make them powder.
I find garam masala kind of fascinating because that has a history to it, right?
It is.
Sort of, as I understand it, that every family has their own kind of garam masala.
Yes.
It's kind of like olive oil to Italians or balsamic vinegar.
Yeah, a little bit different spices. And make sure like you don't burn the spices. And if you like the wineier mussels, if you like to put the wine, you can add the wine at this point. But we are not putting today, but we're going to add this onion and tomatoes here.
That smell, amazing.
And I have some coconut milk here. We're going to add some coconut milk. If you like coconut milk, otherwise you don't have to do it. Here.
No, again, I think that adds such an amazing complexity.
And also we have some mussels here. We're gonna go in the mussels.
What kind of mussels do you use in this dish?
These are PIE mussels.
Okay.
Canadian.
Prince Edward Island.
Yeah. They are pretty good and good quality. Good quality. I like them. So look at the colors and smell good. And also we're gonna add some salt a little bit.
And these are like, again, you wait to see them open just a little bit to make sure that they're good.
And they don't take a long time, just like a 1 minute to 2 minutes.
I don't think I've ever had a curried mussel dish. So.
Yeah, today you're gonna have it.
Yeah, excellent.
How exciting.
Very delicious.
And we're gonna add some chopped cilantro in there.
Okay.
And we just made it this one. If you want to try, go.
Yes, I would actually. Now, would you traditionally serve? I love this bread too.
Yeah,
by the way.
You can serve with the bread, any kind of bread or rice. You can eat it.
Bread, rice is generally what you'd serve it with?
Yes.
Well, I want to remind everybody that the recipe for this is on our website, mysuncoast.com. You can go on there, click the dining link page, and it'll take you right there. Or you can just head on over to Curry Station and have Chef Norinda make it up for you. Chef, absolutely fantastic as always.
Thank you, John.
Real pleasure to have you in the kitchen.
Thank you.